Here with more on travel demand and expectations for the new year, Mike Brown, President and CEO of Travel and Leisure Company. We got to deal with, I'm going to start using this, what David Tepper said. It is what it is. We had COVID, we had Omicron, and now we got this bad weather. But hope springs eternal. People are going to travel.
Well, I think if we've learned anything in 2022, we know leisure travel is very resilient. We thought we would get the revenge travel and then it would slow down. We thought after the summer with all the macro news, leisure travel would slow down, and it just hasn't. And the good thing about this storm is it will pass very quickly, as we heard about 30 minutes ago from your Santa tracker. So be patient. Your previous guest said it. Pack your patience, be prepared, download your airline app, and you'll get to where you need to get to and have a great holiday season.
Is it possible, Mike, that we are permanently in love with travel more than before the pandemic, that there's not like a certain amount of pent-up demand that's going to be worked off and then we'll be back to normal?
Well, I think if anything, 2022 proved that leisure travel and spending time with people away from the workplace is paramount to people's not only enjoyment, but just where they put it on their priority list. We've also seen this big new trend of work from anywhere, where people are getting away on a Wednesday or a Thursday and working where their family is traveling. So it has been a big change, not only in how people are traveling, but that leisure demand, no matter what the headline says, has been very consistent. And we're already seeing it in the early parts of 2023 that people are going to continue to travel.
So if you were like a big investor, would you invest in things in the United States, at Grand Canyon, or I don't know, Florida, the Ozarks, or you're back to Positano? And where do people want to go? Africa? I don't know. What's most popular? Is it back? Is traveling on these real exotic vacations back all the way?
Well, the good thing for Travel and Leisure is we're everywhere. We've got resorts all around the world, whether you want to drive or fly. But for 2023, the early indications is domestic travel is still going to lead the way. The long-haul travel, although it is returning and maybe returning faster, the growth rate next year is going to be faster. It still is lagging. People are wanting to stay where they can control their environment, control the costs associated with it in this rising inflation environment. So people are staying closer to home. We have seen a bit more of the mid-haul, the Caribbean, Mexico, Hawaii, but the long haul is still lagging, and we do hope that returns once we get past whenever this recession does come.
What have you factored into the macroeconomic outlook for 2023? And is travel so inelastic at this point that if there's a slowdown, but not a sharp slowdown, that you don't expect it necessarily to be impacted?
Well, in our space, we've been through 9/11, the great financial crisis, and now COVID, and we have seen an incredible resiliency in our space. I think there's the belief that leisure travel is overly correlated with the headline news on economic conditions. And you said it at the beginning here, is that people just want to get away, enjoy time with the ones they love. And so, yes, I do think that leisure travel will continue to be strong. I think it'll continue to push aside to a great extent the headlines that are coming, and people are going to go on vacation. And again, if the first quarter reservations that we have on our books is an indication, people are going to continue to travel into 2023. RVs,
should I expect that we're going to have big percentage gains in those too? Is Camping World, people waiting in line to buy something there?
Well, I would say, and it gets back to this comment about us seeing a rise in mid-haul travel, is there was this time where these stay-at-home stocks and products were really in demand. We have seen a bit of a cooling in that space. People are wanting to get a little further afield, even if it's not the full long haul. So I would say it's more going to be destination travel for 2023.
Okay.